poppin', low gang?
Today we are going to blow up giant balloons, 6-foot balloons. Mama B is not here, and this is what we do when she's not here. But there are precautions, guys. I have this giant whoopee cushion, and if this explodes and we get injured, I can't explain to Mama B that we got injured by a rubber balloon, 6-foot balloon. So, all right, here we go.
Seriously? It's gonna take you forever.
It sounds like a cruise ship. Oh! How's that? Is that better?
I got it.
Whoa, no, that's not gonna work.
Oh no.
Yeah, she's okay. She's in. This is like the reverse of like a zebra giving birth or something.
Weirdest thing I've ever done in 2017.
Yeah, this is definitely the weirdest thing we've ever done.
Okay, I got it. Whoa!
Are you okay?
It looks so weird in here.
You look so weird out here. Are you okay? Give me. Oh, can you breathe?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good.
Wow, I'm in like another world. A whole new world. That's what it is.
Okay.
Okay. I got it.
Okay, she's good. Alright, we're gonna fill it up more.
Wait.
How's that?
Yeah.
That's a thumbnail. Oh, no! Wow! 1, 2, 3. There he is. I'm working on this thing. All right, whoa, no, we lost him. Okay, we got one.
Whoa, that was huge.
Ready for the foot? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1 foot. Okay, we're good. 1, 2, 3, go.
Done. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hey.
All right, we got great success. Now you're good. All right, you're good. Now I'm gonna fill myself up. All right. All right. I gotta try to step in. All right. I got the leg. It doesn't feel so bad. Okay, what is it? Oh. All right, let's fill this baby up. Oh, that's tight.
Look like a mermaid.
Oh. Okay, 2 out of 3 ain't that bad. Great success, monkeys?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a sweaty monkey.
Yeah.
And if you want to see anything else crazy, you're gonna turtle now.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm still in here, you know.
These are the best bongos ever. If you're happy, make a farting noise. so much cheaper than going to the amusement park.
Thanks for watching. He looks like he's being reborn again.